Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is I, BVF Collection, back at it again with another unboxing, unwrapping video. Today's a very, very, very special video to me. I know I say that a lot, but to me, right here in this package is a freaking grail to me. Today, we got ourselves a dope double package unboxing. Both came in the same day. This came first. I said I'm gonna wait until this comes, because they're both purple, which is cool. This is a black hoodie with purple puff print, and this is purple hoodie with white puff print. So without further ado, I'm anxious. I can't wait. Let's go ahead and go in order of heatness wise, you know what I'm saying? In this package, we got ourselves the, what do you call it? A large purple archive, what do you call it? I think it's called No Pain? No Pain hoodie? I think it's called No Pain hoodie. Anyways, purple archive. Basically, trying to do this one-handed for you guys. It's really sticky, but I think I can do it. I'm shaking a lot because I'm really anticipating that hoodie. Anyways, yeah, give me a sec, guys. Yeah, I could have just saved you guys about 10 seconds for sure. There we go. The hoodie folded very well. I can already tell. It folded extremely well. Let's go ahead and scoot and boot. Not really scoot and boot. Well, folded in a square at least. I don't know about well. Folded in the square. Folded for the last time, as always. You already know. The tag. Now, another fun fact. This was another one of those type of purchases. I'm going to open it up. This is another one of those purchases where I bought it and didn't even see the tag. So that was kind of fun. Oh my gosh, this thing's clean. Holy crap, this thing is pretty clean, guys. Inside, not super soft, but still low-key soft. Tag, we got ourselves a large, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice. Hood, pretty stretched. I always love that. Puff print, not puffy, because these never really came puffy. Keep it a buck. They're always flat. Anyways, that's what I think. Unless they're mint. Let's check out the back. You guys already kind of saw that, the way it was folded. Very nice condition. Very fair. Usually this is like the first part of the hoodie to go. But honestly, this guy, whoever had this last, kept it in amazing condition. So very happy with that. Independent blank was ripped off right there. And we got the tag. What's cool or kind of different about like this hoodie in this era, they never had it stitched properly. Like usually when it comes to like Kill hoodies from 2017, this lightning logo would be stitched up here, as you'll see in the next hoodie. But yeah, I just thought this was kind of interesting how they have a couple different type of pieces that are lower than the stitching. Anyways, without further ado, this thing's got to go off to the side, because holy crap, a grail is about to be freaking unboxed live, ready for you guys and me. Hopefully 10 out of 10, if not like 9.5 in our honest opinion, but we'll see together. Opened with you guys too. Love to see it. There's a purple hoodie folded like crazy. We gotta save it. Oh gosh, get it out of there. Oh my gosh, I gotta just pull it out. I just gotta pull it out. Okay, so you guys can see how it's folded for the last time. The hand is creased like crazy. That's so bad. Anyways, let's open it up. Holy crap, it's so purple. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes, thank you so much. Okay, so right here, this is toothpaste. I thought this was paint when it was originally posted. He got it out for the most part. But oh my gosh. Mint condition puff on the front. I'm looking, no crackage. Let's look at the tag. Oh, the purple on purple. Tell me that isn't hard, guys. The purple Kill hoodie with the purple tag. Wow. Yeah, and I had a feeling this top part was a little loose. But look at that. The softest is super. The inside is still super soft. Now, I got to fix this. Hold up. Can't let this crease any more than it already has. You already know. Wow. This is how you know it's clean, when the sleeve tag says clean. extremely grateful, extremely thankful. Wow. Hood looks like it was kind of stretched too, or maybe that's just how they come, but wow, I'm cottonmouth. That's the front. It's pretty freaking 10 out of 10. Besides this, I'm gonna see if I can do anything about that. We'll see. But without further ado, the hand. Purple, very cool. Let's look at the hand together. I'm gonna close my eyes. You guys see the blackness for now. Turned it around, placed it. I'm trying to find the camera. Okay, putting you guys in the middle, straightening the hand, and without further ado, 3, 2, 1, boom. Yes. Not 10 out of 10. I will say, we got some black right here, some minor cracking right there, black right there, but black right there. But oh my gosh, I can't complain. For freaking what it is, I can't complain. This thing is awesome. Holy crap. And to get both of them in the same day, I can't believe it. These are extremely freaking rare. It's so hard to find. I need to freaking hang this up so the hand gets nice and straight, you know what I'm saying? After I try it on, obviously, though. Gotta try this bad boy on. But let me straighten both of these out. Or straighten both of them out for you guys real quick for one final go away shot. And then I'll send you guys off. Hold up 1 second. Just a jiffy. And we are back. Look at that. Same day. 2 amazing hoodies. Large, extra large. I love this the ARC logo. The freaking length, the width, the narrowness. So clean. Revenge, if you see this, please go back. Go back to the narrow look. But wow, this purple, the royal purple, I'm so glad I own this. They didn't redrop this either. And that's another really cool fun fact when it comes to the January 23rd drop. They didn't redrop this version, so let's go. They did do the purple mugshot, but a different shade of purple, not this royal purple. Anyways, thank you guys both, ladies and gentlemen, so much for watching. This has been BVF Collection, and have a great freaking day.